Hey, I'm Devin Wilmoth, and over the next couple minutes, I'm going to explain exactly how I generated over 7 figures with my Amazon FBA model that most sellers overlook. This isn't about dropshipping cheap products from China or trying to create your own brand and do a million things that are just way too difficult. This is about tapping into a proven method that's been around for centuries, but no one knows about. But before I explain how this works, let me ask you something. Are you tired of scrolling through endless get-rich-quick schemes with people that promise the world but end up delivering absolutely nothing? Maybe you even spend money on popular courses like Andrew Tate, Sam Millsap, Sebastian Georgiou, and ended up not making a single dollar. Look, I'm a big fan of all these guys and don't mean to discredit any of them. But to be honest, I can understand why you would join that and not make a single dollar. And that's because you either need a lot of upfront capital, a lot of knowledge, or a big following. And if you don't have all three of these, that's totally fine. I can still help you. I get it. I've been there. I come from a poor family. I've had to watch my mom struggle to support both me and my brother while my dad has spent his life battling his own vices. And I know what it's like to feel stuck. And the only way out is to look in the mirror and understand that it's completely up to you. Nobody's going to do it for you. And I faced a critical turning point in my life where I had to make a lot of hard decisions and sacrifices to get to where I'm at today. And this is exactly why I built the Escape Room, so I can teach you guys how to do the exact same thing that worked for me. Because you see, I found a legitimate escape from the traditional 9-to-5 soul-crushing $40,000 a year salary that none of us want to deal with. Here's what makes this different. While everyone else is fighting over saturated markets and chasing the next trending product, I found that flipping products on Amazon is like literally having a license to print money. You can do it with products as simple and basic as flipping books, and quite literally make thousands of dollars without taking on any high risk, if you know what you're doing. Think about it. Books have been around for centuries. They're not a fad, they're difficult to counterfeit, and people are always going to read. They're simply just not going anywhere. This business model has been around for a decade, and it's going to stick around for another decade. You don't have to do this for 10 years, but this is the easiest avenue to build liquidity, to chase your dreams of financial freedom, or starting another business that you want to start. And best of all, it's unsaturated. Most Amazon sellers completely overlook this model because they're trying to chase the Lamborghini in 3 months. Idiotic. They're all trying to chase the products. They're all trying to chase launching their own brand and don't realize that's way too complicated for a beginner. This isn't just a theory. Look at the proof. We have more proof of kids having success with this business model in college and out of college when they're working 9 to 5 than any other guru's community on the internet. And this is just after launching after a few months. I knew this was going to be a hit, and I took the time to build an incredibly great product so that you guys could benefit just like I did. For example, one of my students came to me after spending thousands of dollars on a couple different gurus and not even making a cent. Within just 2 weeks of working with me, they were making their first real profits on Amazon after failing at Sam Millsap's mentorship, Andrew Tate's The Real World, and a couple other drop shippers on the internet. But working with me in a matter of 2 weeks, I was able to help them make their first real profits on Amazon. And now he's doing $20,000 a month in revenue. He didn't need thousands of dollars or thousands of followers to get started. It only took him a couple $100 to get started. But here's what's really exciting. I'm not just only going to teach you the system that works for everybody. I'm going to give you $2,000 worth of proven inventory to kickstart your store. That's right, actual physical inventory that my team is going to prep, label, and ship to your Amazon store completely for you so you can begin selling seamlessly. And I know this stuff sells because it's all the stuff that I've sold myself. Let me break down exactly how it's going to work. First, I'll show you my proven system for identifying profitable products, either books or physical products. And this isn't random guess. It's a proven method that I'd used to generate over $500,000 in my first 12 months selling on Amazon. And now we've scaled up to doing several million. Second, you'll learn my secret inventory sourcing methods. While other sellers are wasting time hunting for products going the wrong way, I'm going to show you the right way to find products and how to get directly to the source of profitable items. They're going to make you thousands of dollars. And on top of that, you'll have access to all my trusted suppliers and everybody that I would vet and who I would personally do business with. Third, I'll teach you my optimization strategies that will guarantee that your items are going to generate profits and sell consistently. You might be thinking, Devin, if this works so well, why are you sharing it? And it's pretty simple. And it's because the Amazon market is so vast. There's more items in the market to flip than you, me, everyone in the community, and everyone on the Amazon space can even afford to buy. You, myself, everyone else included, is going to get cut off at the point of how much liquidity you have to spend on inventory, not the point of how many leads there are floating around the market to flip. I'm not scared of you stepping on my toes and taking products from me, because there's plenty enough to go around for everybody. And just like I respect my mom for how hard she fought to provide my brother and myself the best life possible, I'm extremely passionate about teaching and helping other people as well find an avenue to make money online and helping others escape the trap of living paycheck to paycheck, because I have watched how hard and difficult that can be for people, and I don't want that for myself. Now, this is especially perfect if you're a college student. Why? Because you have time. Time is one of the most valuable things in this space, having patience. You have time to build something sustainable, something that is consistent, that will, I promise you, completely change the trajectory of your future. How do I know this? How am I so confident about this? It's exactly what I did. I started in college. I started when I was a sophomore in college, got out of school, didn't even need to work a job because I had a business that was printing, but I thought I had to enter the real world when I really fucking didn't. Imagine graduating with a degree that you can fall back on if you need to, with a kick-ass cash flowing business, already bringing you in thousands of dollars every single month. But don't just take my word for it. All my successful students started with no following, no cash flow, not a whole lot of money saved up, just a few $100s and a willing to learn, trust, and the willingness to take action. Unlike other programs that just load you up with theory but no real world results, my students all start seeing progress within just a couple weeks. And not just progress, actual profits. Here's what you get when you join the Escape Group. Access to my complete Amazon selling system, ranging from books, all-out arbitrage, and all the way up to wholesale, $2,000 worth of proven inventory sent directly to your store. And a personal mentorship with someone who's actually done this inside and out. Nobody else is offering a deal like this. Please, go ahead. Scour the internet. You're not going to find somebody offering a deal this good anywhere else. I promise you that. Look, you have two choices right now. You can keep hoping the traditional path will somehow lead you to financial freedom, or you can take control of your future today. I made my choice. I went from watching my mom struggle to support us to building a business that's creating real generational wealth. Now, I want to help you do the exact same. Click the button below to join the escape room. And remember, you'll get $2,000 worth of proven inventory sent straight to your store. That alone is worth more than the cost of joining. Don't let another day go by of feeling stuck. Don't work your ass off, graduate college, just to come out and become another statistic working a job that you don't like or care about. You're worth way more than that. Take action now and let me help you build something that will actually change your life. The door to the escape room is open, but I don't know how long I can keep a deal this good going, so I can't say it'll be open forever. Click the link below to get started, and I'll look forward to meeting you.